tree as old as me.
Jamie Hi-Fi's got cracking Christmas deals with crazy prices. Like this Instax Mini 12 camera smashed to $99. Brother Infuser coffee machine thrown out for $3.99. And 100 smashed off these Sony portable speakers. Plus tax more cracking Christmas deals. JB, you've done it again.
Look what I've got for you. Yes, yes, yes. Crunchy, creamy Kiev. Your favourite. And go get 'em. Aldi's Australian-made boneless chicken Kiev. Now only $7.49 a 4-pack. Aldi. Good. Different.